Category hierarchies are used to classify products, vendors, customers, or transactions for reporting and analysis purposes. Each category hierarchy consists of a structure of subcategories. You can create more than one category hierarchy. For example, your organization might create one category hierarchy for classifying purchase products and another hierarchy for classifying vendors. The number of category hierarchies used by your organization and the structure and number of codes for each category hierarchy depend on a few things: processes of the organization, the products and services that are purchased or sold, the industry standards that might apply, the reporting requirements for your organization. When you create a new category hierarchy, you must assign one or more hierarchy types to the hierarchy to begin using the hierarchy. Keep in mind that retail and procurement category hierarchies each have a separate form used to define additional information. Let us take a look at the process for creating hierarchies and assigning a type in AX. We'll start by going to Product Information Management. Underneath the Setup folder, if we go down to Categories, you'll see here there are two forms: Category Hierarchies and Hierarchy Types. We'll start with the Category Hierarchies form. In this screen, you can see each of the different hierarchies that have been set up in my demonstration data. We'll start by taking a look at the Retail Product Hierarchy by clicking Edit in the Maintain group of the Action pane. When the form opens, you'll notice along the left-hand side the category hierarchy that's expandable and collapsible. On the right-hand side, you'll see the additional information about a particular hierarchy node. If you highlight a particular node, for example, BMX biking, you can see the additional details. And if we expand the category attribute groups, you can see which category attribute groups are assigned to that category. Let's create a category hierarchy of our own. I'm going to close this window down and go back to the Category Hierarchies list page. To create a new hierarchy, I'm going to click the Category Hierarchy button in the New group. This will open up a small dialog box. You must type in a unique name for each hierarchy. I'm going to create mine and call it Apparel. When you click Create, the category hierarchy will be created and the category hierarchy detail form will be opened. To start, you must click Edit in the Maintain group of the Action pane. When you add the first node to your category hierarchy, you'll typically want to name this the All category or something that's representative of all products in your hierarchy. I'm just going to call mine All. I could give it a more detailed description or some keywords, but I'm going to start adding some subnodes. To add subnodes, you click the New Category node again. This will create a new category. So I'm going to create a category called Shirts, and I'll create another category called Pants. To make sure that the Pants category is at the same level as the Shirts category, I need to make sure that I highlight the All node and then click New Category node. If I wanted to add some subcategories underneath shirts, such as short sleeve and long sleeve, I would highlight the Shirts node and then click the New Category node again. I can repeat this process until I'm finished creating the hierarchy. The last step in this process is to assign a purpose or a hierarchy type to the hierarchy. Back on the Category Hierarchies list page, there's a button in the Setup group called Associate Hierarchy Type. This will open up a new screen where I can see the details and assign a new hierarchy type. To do this, click the New button, select the category hierarchy type that you want to assign. In my example, I'm going to create this as a supplemental retail hierarchy. And then in the Category Hierarchy drop-down box, I'll select the Apparel hierarchy that I just created. Next, let's take a look at product attributes.